Welcome to this quick GitHub tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to create a folder in your GitHub repository using just the web interface. No command line needed. Let's get started. First, go to github.com and open the repository where you want to create a new folder. If you don't have one yet, create a new repository by checking out this video. Link is in the description. Inside your repository, click the Add File button. From the drop-down menu, select Create New File. In the file name field, type the name of the folder you want to create, followed by a // and then the name of a file to go inside it. For example, webproject/index.html. This tells GitHub to create a folder named webproject and place a file called index.html inside it. Now click the Commit Changes button. Your folder has now been created with the file inside. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.